The SEC issued crypto exchange Coinbase a Wells notice.
Attention crypto enthusiasts, the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has taken an exciting turn. A tense courtroom drama is unfolding as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, issues a Wells notice to Coinbase. The notice indicates the SEC's belief that the popular cryptocurrency exchange has violated securities laws. But Coinbase is not backing down without a fight. The company has been permitted to respond to the notice and is determined to convince the SEC that its assertions are false. Coinbase has been trying to play by the rules. The company has met with SEC authorities a staggering 30 times in the previous 9 months in an attempt to register a component of its business and settle inquiries. Yet, despite these efforts, the SEC has issued the Wells notice. The plot thickens as we learn that Ripple's chief legal officer Stuart Alderoty has responded to Coinbase's Wells notice, indicating his support for the cryptocurrency exchange. This support could prove crucial, as Ripple is currently engaged in its own legal battle with the SEC over whether its XRP token is an unregistered securities offering. Coinbase has filed an amici brief in support of Ripple's lawsuit, framing it as an assault on the whole young sector. The stage is set for an epic showdown, and the duo is ready to battle it out with the SEC. If the SEC decides to pursue enforcement action against Coinbase, we may see a flood of amicus papers favoring the cryptocurrency exchange. However, a court fight over factual disagreements could take years and may go beyond SEC Chair Gary Gensler's team. The suspense is palpable as we wait to see what will happen next. The future of the cryptocurrency market in the United States is uncertain, as regulatory crackdowns have left many players seeking straightforward market advice. The resolution of the Ripple SEC legal battle is widely anticipated to affect the future course of cryptocurrency market regulation, particularly regarding securities categorization. It's a pivotal moment for the industry. Pro-Ripple attorney John Deaton is optimistic about the outcome. He predicts the court will decide within the next several weeks. If Ripple prevails, the fact that XRP is not a security will be established, and the token's value will rise. The tension builds as we wait to see how the legal battle will unfold. Attorneys involved in the Ripple SEC case have hinted that the legal conflict may terminate in the next few days, increasing the likelihood of a summary judgment date. Deaton encourages the crypto community to see the lawsuit as an assault on the digital asset market, not just a Ripple problem. It's clear that the outcome of this case will have far-reaching consequences. According to defense attorney James Fillon, the SEC has delivered its answer to the 2 letters seeking additional authority from the bankruptcy case of Bitcoin lending platform Voyager Digital and the Bittner v. United States lawsuit. Ripple had previously filed the ruling in the Voyager bankruptcy case, citing Judge Michael Wiles' comments on the significant uncertainties in the cryptocurrency industry. The plot thickens as we see how these various legal battles are interconnected and how they could impact the cryptocurrency market's future. Ripple and the SEC are in a legal battle. Both are convinced they will emerge victorious. With such confidence, a settlement is unlikely to be soon reached. Bill Morgan, a renowned attorney from Australia, has even gone so far as to state that any chance of a settlement was eliminated after seeing the SEC's response letter. The stakes are high and the tension is palpable. Now, let's take a closer look at the SEC's response. In their submission of prior cases and their conclusions, it becomes clear that their arguments could significantly impact the cryptocurrency industry. This could spell trouble for Ripple, who has been using the Voyager case as a supporting argument for its fair notice defense. They point to a statement made by bankruptcy judge Michael Wiles, who acknowledged that the industry has long-standing uncertainties that even regulators disagree on. However, the SEC is not easily swayed. Their response to Ripple's early March brief on supplemental authority regarding the Bittner case included some surprising elements. According to U.S. Defense Counsel James K. Fillon, the SEC's answer included seemingly random thoughts, excerpts from the judge's concurrent judgment in the Bittner case, and an order confirming the bankruptcy plan in the Voyager case. Despite this, the regulator claimed that the extracts do not give any grounds to reject the SEC's move for summary judgment. So where does that leave Ripple? Their arguments for fair notice defense may not hold up in court. The SEC argues that neither the Bittner nor the Voyager case supports Ripple's position. The agency has consistently guided that crypto offerings violate securities laws when they involve offering and selling an investment contract. It remains to be seen how this legal battle will play out, but one thing is for sure: the outcome could have far-reaching implications for the entire cryptocurrency industry. In the cryptocurrency world, a new development is causing quite a stir. The XRP legal community is pushing back against the SEC's recent statements, with some experts arguing that the regulator's response is misleading. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, for one, has stated that the SEC is attempting to argue that the Voyager judge did not suggest that the crypto space is facing significant uncertainty. Meanwhile, attorney John E. Deaton has pointed out that the language supporting Ripple's fair notice defense in the Bittner case came from Justice Gorish, who used to work under Michael Kellogg at Kellogg's firm. Kellogg is the lawyer who orchestrated Ripple's fair notice defense and brief. As the legal community debates the SEC's response, the question on many people's minds is whether there will be a settlement in the ongoing case. According to Australian attorney Bill Morgan, the response letter has ended speculation about why the SEC did not respond to Ripple's letter on the Bittner case. Morgan added that there is now no settlement on the horizon. Meanwhile, XRP has been trading at 43.62 cents after breaking a sideways trend that has persisted since the beginning of November 2022. So, what exactly is the SEC's response about? Ripple Labs had sent letters to the SEC about supplemental authority in the Bittner and Voyager cases. Ripple used the Voyager case, where the judge found the regulatory situation of the U.S. crypto industry unclear, as a supporting argument for its fair notice defense. Ripple pointed to bankruptcy judge Michael Wiles's writing about long-standing uncertainties for the industry that even regulators disagree on. However, the SEC asserts that neither decision supports Ripple's fair notice defense and provides no basis for denying the SEC's motion for summary judgment. According to the SEC, the defendants had misused excerpts of the judge's concurring opinion in the Bittner case and a bankruptcy plan confirmation order from the Voyager case to support their fair notice defense. But the regulator disagrees with this interpretation. It's a complex legal case, but one thing is clear: the XRP legal community is fighting back against the SEC's response, and the outcome could have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Lawyer Jeremy Hogan, who supports Ripple, has commented on the SEC's response to Ripple's letters about supplemental authority in the Bittner and Voyager cases. While the SEC's attempt to argue against the Voyager judge's ruling on the uncertainty of the crypto space is remarkable, Hogan explains that the Voyager judge's ruling is still good for Ripple. The SEC has consistently guided that crypto offerings violate securities laws when they involve offering and selling an investment contract. However, the defendants are challenging this statement, and a significant impact on the case is being denied. The defendants argue that the lack of clarity in the SEC's guidance has created uncertainty among market participants about the legal status of their activities. Lawyer Bill Morgan, based in Australia, has noted that the SEC's response letter ends the possibility of a settlement between Ripple and the SEC. Morgan's assessment of the letter suggests that a settlement is unlikely. The SEC's argument against Ripple's fair notice defense is based on its claim that the Bittner and Voyager cases do not support Ripple's defense. The defendants contend that these cases demonstrate the need for clear guidance from the SEC on regulating digital assets. Hogan further explains that while the response negates the Bittner decision, the Voyager judge's ruling still benefits Ripple. This ruling is important because it supports Ripple's argument that it could not have known that XRP was a security under the law. The SEC's guidance has created uncertainty in the market. This has led to a situation where market participants need clarification about the legal status of their activities. As the case heads to trial, the Ripple legal community continues to challenge the SEC's statements, and the parties will be able to present their arguments in court. The outcome of this case could have significant implications for the digital asset industry and how it is regulated. It will be interesting to see how the trial unfolds and what precedents it sets for future digital asset cases. As always, we will continue to keep you updated on the latest developments in this case and others that may impact the digital asset space. So stay tuned and remember to subscribe for more updates.